Hello and welcome to our simple, straightforward how to cut the lace on a human hair lace front wig. So you can see I have the unit laid down on a nice flat surface. I'm using our little parting comb. It's plastic, so it's nice and light and won't drag the wig down, but it will keep the hair out of the way. And then just going through with a nice sharp pair of scissors, cutting around the hairline, so the full hairline from ear to ear, and just give yourself up to 5 mil of lace. You can see how that, when it goes onto my skin, it just all blends in and you have this really nice seamless hairline. If you cut too short, sometimes it can be a little bit harder to use hairspray and things like that to glue the unit down. But if you're not interested in doing that, I still think leave a little bit, and once it's on you, it's really easy to go through with a little pair of scissors and just trim up the edges. But just getting all the initial lace off is a really, really good start. And you're not cheating doing it like this. It's actually quite difficult to do it on yourself. So don't worry, this is definitely the best way to go. And then assuming everything is measured correctly in terms of sizing, there again won't be any issues from cutting the lace like this. It's a really, really simple way to do it, and works beautifully. So yeah, sharp scissors, keeping the hair out the way. It can be a little bit more fiddly around the ears, but just taking your time to get that pulled nice and taut and all the hair out the way, and then you'll be absolutely fine to just go in and cut it. It can definitely seem a little bit more daunting than it is cutting the lace on a wig. I've never had a problem with doing it. I've never really had anyone, that was worried to do it, really struggle with it. So it is something that's quite simple. I think it's more daunting than it is hard to do. So again, just leaving little bits of lace around the side. And this is so that it just helps to keep the hairline looking really natural. If when the unit's on, you find like you can spot little bits of lace, they're a little bit too long, you just basically use your finger to have the lace pop up at the front and you just trim it down. We will make a little video on that. But there really isn't a wrong and right way of doing that either, to be honest. You can just see the lace and trim it. I'm just going around now. I'm noticing some little bits. Doing the ear section. I obviously chose the bluntest pair of scissors I could, but make sure yours are nice and sharp. That's it, guys. It's really, really simple. If you have any questions for me, put them down below. Look out for our next video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps, guys. Bye.